Here is how to password protect your Chrome browser to prevent unauthorized access. So first, launch your Chrome application and log in, and then click on the three dots in the top right corner of your screen. From the menu that appears, access the extensions section, which is between tab groups, and delete browsing data. Now select Manage Extensions. Select Chrome Web Store from the left-hand side of the screen. Now search Browser Lock. You can select any extension that has good review. Then select Add to Chrome option. Click on Add Extension. And once it has been added in your web browser, click on Open Settings. Click on Start Now. Enter your name, your surname, your email address, and the browser password that you want to set. Confirm the browser password in this field again and tap on Register. Click on Validate to verify your email. Click on Submit Code. Now open your Gmail, copy the code, come back and paste it in this page. Now select Validate and you'll be done. Now you can go through the settings over here and set it according to your preference. Click on Browser Lock, select the Lock Browser option, and you'll be done. Now you need to enter your browser password to access your Chrome. Enter your password, click on Login, and the browser will be opened. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.